To find Priority Pass on the Chase app, start by opening the Chase mobile app on your device and logging into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the credit card section by selecting the credit card account that is associated with your Priority Pass membership. Look for the Benefits or Rewards section within your credit card account details. This section may vary depending on the specific credit card you have. Scroll through the list of available benefits until you find the Priority Pass membership details. This should include information about your membership, such as your membership number and the number of complimentary lounge visits you are entitled to. If you are having trouble locating the Priority Pass details within the app, try using the search function to look for Priority Pass or lounge access. You can also contact Chase customer service directly for assistance. They will be able to guide you through the process and provide you with the information you need. It is also a good idea to download the Priority Pass app to access your digital membership card and to find participating lounges when you are traveling. The Priority Pass app will also allow you to access lounge reviews and ratings, helping you to make the most of your membership. By following these steps, you should be able to easily find and access your Priority Pass membership details through the Chase app. Remember to always check your account details in the Priority Pass app for the most up-to-date information about your membership and available benefits.